Hello everyone, today we're introducing Cline hooks. Hooks let you inject custom logic into clients' workflows like key moments. Think of them as automated checkpoints where you can validate operations before they execute, you can monitor tool usage as it happens, and shape how client makes decisions. To start using your hooks, you only need to create a hooks folder within your clinerules, and this is where you will be storing all of those hooks that you will be using. Currently, we offer 6 different hooks that you can start using. The first one is a PostToolUse that will give me observability on how Cline is executing tools. The idea here is that after a tool has been executed, I get access to a series of logs that I can review afterwards to check out what has been working and what probably has not been working well. The second script that I have here is a UserPromptSubmit, where I log all of the user input into a file called user inputs. These can help me analyze the way that I'm prompting Cline and have better understanding on which are the prompts that are working effectively on my workflows. Last but not least, I have TaskStart. This hook sends a message to my Slack telling me that Cline is currently working. Hooks run as you interact with Cline. So in this case, whenever I start a new conversation with Cline, you can see that a couple of hooks already started to work. For example, the start hook already run. The UserPromptSubmit hook also has already been executed. As tools start to execute as well, you can see that the PostToolUse hook starts working here. And then if I go and check out my user inputs log, you can see that I have here a log of the input that I did as a user, but also a PostTool usage log of tools that Cline is currently using. Additionally, I can go to my Slack webhook integration that I configured previously on the TaskStart hook, and I can see that Cline has already started to communicate with me through Slack to keep me up to date on the status of the task that is performing. This is a great way for me to have observability on what's the current status of the task that Cline is performing while I'm doing some other work or multitask. Visit the Cline docs to find more information about hooks and what are some of the triggers that you have available to create your own. Additionally, we have created a couple of samples that you can take a look at so that you can start experimenting with your own projects.